Today we will be testing the Detrended synthetic price indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Detrended synthetic price indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 606 indicators, with 250 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Detrended synthetic price indicator. You can see it here on screen. I did go in and bump up the weight of all these colors of this line. This is another one of Cheat Country's indicators, and so it does have the bar coloration on the price action. Again, I know that some of the viewers, including myself, aren't too fond of the coloration of the price action, but in this particular case with these type of indicators, I find it easier to have that coloration on there. It just makes it a tad bit easier to notice when we are getting shifts in the color. And so the oscillating line here, what we're looking for are these color shifts. And so what we're gonna do is go ahead and test it just from a green to, I guess that's a maroon or dark purple. So when we shift into the dark purple color, then we are going to go short. When we shift into the darker green color, then we are going to go long. We'll try that first, see what happens, and go from there. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so the first signal that we get is a long signal. We get that right here on this one as we shift to the green color from the red. Unfortunately, it doesn't go very far because price almost immediately starts to head to the downside, which does then give us a short signal right there just a couple candles later. So that first one gets stopped out. Then we jump onto this short right here and we get a really nice push to the downside, and definitely got to start take profit on that one. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we get a similar setup here where we get long signal right here. Almost immediately price starts to push to the downside though, stops us out on that long. Then we pick up a short right there. Nice push to the downside, which does get us to take profit on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Everything in focus. There we go. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 winning trades, and so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. And so we might try this one another way. There is one other way that I think we could possibly use this one. I'm not really sure if it's going to do much better, but it might be worth a try to see without adding any other indicators to it. And so I think I will test that on the next video in that different way to see what it's able to achieve that way. But for now, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.